In this episode, we'll take you on a mesmerizing journey to witness the most satisfying machines operating on a whole new level. This industrial cutter slices through thick steel like butter, unleashing a spectacular shower of sparks. This powerful machine devours the soil and digs deep trenches within seconds with unstoppable force. These homemade climbing sandals make scaling poles look effortless, turning anyone into a pro. On the car assembly line, a handbrake is installed with speed and precision. This is the fascinating journey behind how single-use bottled water is produced. A man who embodies pure courage demonstrates fearlessness in action. This semi-automatic welder joins metals at incredible speed, almost like a flash of lightning. A machine so powerful it can grind anything down into dust before your eyes. Watch as a laser blaster strips away rust instantly, leaving the surface spotless. Here's the machine that shapes bricks and stacks them with flawless accuracy. Carrots are peeled at a speed so fast, even rabbits would be left behind. Few things are as oddly satisfying as watching young seedlings being planted in neat rows. See the mesmerizing process of extracting sunflower oil from countless tiny seeds. Soil preparation is perfected with this clever piece of machinery. If you had to decide, would you choose the blue pill or the red one? This heavy-duty tool makes cutting pile caps seem almost effortless. An egg handling machine with a unique design ensures each egg is treated with extreme care. Watch how entire logs are transformed into ultra-thin sheets of wood in seconds. Tree stumps don't stand a chance against this machine, which shreds them to nothing. Irrigating wide fields becomes completely effortless with these advanced sprinklers. Shock absorbers crafted with perfection, straight out of a Minecraft dream. Belt sanders scrub surfaces so clean that not a single trace of rust remains. Sidewalk railings are polished to perfection by this powerful cleaning device. Experience the timeless tradition of sealing wine bottles with hot wax. A blacksmith demonstrates patience and precision while forging butcher knives. Watch as a machine attaches handles to buckets with mechanical accuracy. Thick metal sheets fall apart like paper before the blades of this cutting machine. A miniature robot carefully cleans out every corner of your air vents. It's no surprise that royal honey is valued so highly when you see the process. This flexible hammer delivers an extra blow, making demolition quicker and easier. A colossal machine strong enough to split the very earth in two. Here, a blacksmith and his apprentice showcase true mastery in their craft. When it comes to demolishing buildings, a compactor like this is your best ally.